How to grow a small veg garden with Westland. I'm creating a raised bed as they're small, compact and can be grown anywhere. Start by using cracked pots to cover your drainage holes. Then half fill with a good quality topsoil like Westland. Then top up with a multi-purpose compost with added jelliness. I'm using this because it's been developed to support all stages of a plant's growth cycle. You then need to decide if you're doing rows or quarters. Quarters are best for larger plants. As I'm doing seed directly into the bed, rows are best. Roughly divide into quarters in rows. Pick some crops you love. I'm going for beetroot, kale, spring onions and carrot. Open your seed packet, tip a few out into your hand and lightly sprinkle across the row. You don't want to sow too thickly or clump them together. Lightly cover the seeds over, then pop a label in so you don't forget what you've planted. Next are spring onions. They work well with carrots as they help to repel pests. So put a few seeds in your hand and again lightly sprinkle down the row. Careful not to clump the seeds together or go too thickly. Lightly cover the row up, put them down and again label. Next the kale, lightly across the row. Finally the beetroot, a few seeds, lightly across the row. And there you have it, a nice small contained mini veg plot that you can have on a balcony or in a small garden. We've got beetroot, kale, spring onions and carrots. Another selection of seeds that you could use. I've got some herbs you can directly sow, radish, very quick, and dwarf French beans, ideal for this because they only grow to about yay high.